Welcome folks to our YouTube channel All Grow. Aim of this video: definition of food and beverages, classification of food and beverages. Definition of food. Food is any substance consumed by an organism for nutritional support. Food is usually of plant, animal, or fungal origin and contain essential nutrients such as carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, and minerals. The substance is ingested by an organism and assimilated by the organism's cell to provide energy, maintain life, or stimulate growth. Different species of animals have different feeding behaviors that satisfy the needs of their unique metabolism, often involved to fill a specific ecological niche within a specific geographical context. Omnivorous humans are highly adaptable and have adapted to obtain food in many different ecosystems. The majority of food energy required is supplied by the industrial food industry, which produces food with intensive agriculture and distributes it through complex food processing and food distribution system. This system of conventional agriculture relies heavily on fossil fuels, which means that the food and agricultural system is one of the major contributions to climate change, accountable for as much as 37% of total greenhouse gas emission. The food system has significant impact on a wide range of social and political issues, including sustainability, biological diversity, economics, population growth, water supply, and access of food. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support and energy to an organism. It can be raw, processed, or formulated and is consumed orally by animals for growth, health, and pleasure. Food is mainly composed of water, lipid, protein, and carbohydrates. Minerals like salt and organic substances like vitamins can also be found in food. Plant, algae, and some other organisms use photosynthesis to make their own food molecules. Water is found in many food and has been defined as a food by itself. Water and fiber have low energy densities and calories, while fat is the dense energy component. Some inorganic elements are also essential for plants and animals functioning. Definition of beverages. Beverages are an integral part of human diet starting from a newborn. The cycle starts with the infant formula's highly complex drink rich in many nutrients. As human age and their nutritional requirement changes, product designers keep pace by developing new and innovative beverages to meet their needs. Beverages can be defined as any fluid which is consumed by drinking. It consists of diverse group of food products, usually liquids, that include the most essential drink water to wide range of commercially available fluids like fruit beverages, synthetic drinks, alcoholic beverages, milk, dairy beverages, tea, coffee, chocolate drinks, etc. Despite differences in their properties, one common feature that exists in all the beverages is their ability to act as a thirst quencher. In simple words, beverages can be defined as liquid which is essentially designed or developed for human consumption. The beverages are rarely consumed for its food value, but it is vital for life. Classification of food. Food can be classified in accordance to their chemical property, to their function, to their essentiality, to their concentration, to their nutritive value. A. According to the chemical nature: carbohydrates, vitamins, protein, dietary fiber, fats, water, minerals. According to their function in the body: energy-giving body, the carbohydrates, fat, and the protein are considered as calories nutrients so that the body can perform the necessary functions. Rice, chapati, bread, sugar, oil, butter, or ghee are the examples of energy-giving food. Bodybuilding food. Food such as protein, fat, and carbohydrates are also called as bodybuilding food. They are the nutrients that form body tissues. Fish, meat, chicken, egg, pulses, nuts, and milks are some of the bodybuilding foods. Protective food. Vitamins and minerals are nutrients that function to regulate body processes. They protect us from various diseases. Fruits and vegetables are some examples. Therefore, we must eat these regularly. C. According to chemical properties, organic nutrients. The nutrients that contain the element of carbon is called organic nutrients. The organic nutrients consist of carbohydrates, lipids, protein and vitamin. Inorganic nutrients. Nutrients that do not contain carbon element are called inorganic nutrients. Water and minerals are the examples of inorganic nutrients. D. According to its mass depending on the quantity necessary for cells and organisms are classified as. Macronutrients are required in large quantity daily. Protein, carbohydrates and fat are macronutrients. They are the basis of any diet. Micronutrients. Micronutrients are needed in small quantity. These nutrients are involved in regulating metabolism and energy processes. They are vitamins and minerals. E. According to its origin. Depending upon the origin of food, it has been classified as animal food sources and plant food sources. According to its nutritive value. The nutritive value of food refers to the quality and quantity of nutrients found in the food item. Information about the energy, the micronutrients, the macronutrients, and phytochemicals of the food are required to understand this. Cereals and millets, pulses, nuts and oilseeds, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, non-leafy vegetables, roots and tubers, fruits, milk and milk products, animal food, meat, fish, liver, egg, etc., carbohydrate foods, and spices. Classification of beverages. Beverages may be classified on various ways. The classification criteria may depend on various factors as mentioned below. Natural and synthetic, carbonated and non-carbonated, alcoholic and non-alcoholic, hot and cold, stimulating and non-stimulating. Natural and synthetic beverages. The natural beverages are prepared from the naturally derived ingredients including fruit juices or milk or malt, sugar, acids, flavoring and coloring material. The example of this group are fruit-based beverages, malt beverages and dairy beverages. Synthetic beverages. Synthetic beverages are analog of natural beverages and may contain ingredients which are prepared synthetically like flavoring and coloring material. These are primarily developed to offer pleasure to the consumer at affordable cost. The major group of synthetic beverages is soft drinks which contain flavored sugar syrup as base material that may or may not be carbonated. The high potential sweetener based beverages are belong to the category of synthetic beverages as they contain artificial sweeteners which mainly reduce caloric value. Carbonated and non-carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages are one where carbon dioxide is dissolved in the syrup or water. The presence of carbon dioxide creates bubbles upon release of pressure and fizzing in the beverages. The carbonated beverages are commonly referred as soft drinks. Cola or lemonade beverages are typical example of carbonated beverages. The process of fermentation also produces carbon dioxide in certain beverages like beer. Carbonation is done for various reasons. Consumers find the fizzy sensation pleasant and like the slightly different taste that dissolved carbonic acid provides. Soda water is another popular type of carbonated beverages which may also be flavored. Majority of fruit and dairy based beverages fall into the category of non-carbonated beverages. The category also include hot beverages and alcoholic beverages that do not contain carbon dioxide. Alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverages contain ethyl alcohol which can be consumed for its intoxication and mind-alerting effects. Alcoholic beverages are produced by the process of natural or controlled fermentation. On the basis of raw material used and process technology, used in their manufacture. Alcoholic beverages may be classified into three major groups: beer, wine, spirit. Hot and cold beverages. Another criterion for classifying beverages is the temperature of serving. Certain beverages are consumed only hot, that is, temperature above 65 to 70 degrees Celsius, which are termed as hot beverages, while those are served chill temperature are called cold beverages. The example of hot beverages are tea, coffee, chocolate, and milk. However, iced tea and cold coffee are served as chilled. Most of the fruit beverages, dairy drinks, alcoholic drinks, and soft drinks are the example of cold drinks. Stimulating and non-stimulating beverages. Consumption of some beverages stimulate the body system, mainly to nervous system and circulatory system. It is mainly due to the presence of certain chemical compounds like caffeine in coffee and tea, many phenolic compounds in herbal drinks, and ethyl alcohol in alcoholic beverages. The chemical constituents present in these beverages influence the physiological processes as follows: increase in basic metabolic rate, increase in blood circulation and heart rate, stimulation of central nervous system and release of neurotransmitter, increase in frequency of urination, enhancement in secretion of gastric juices. Thanks a lot guys for watching the video till end. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel or grow.